I kind of screwed up a little bit, not thinking. What happened was I was trying to get the rear end lined up a little bit because I was going to pull the truck out and turn it around and back it in so I could set the bed down on it and make sure that everything was lined up on the bed and everything. And then I was going to pull the bed back off and after I got it all lined up and everything, and then start welding shit together. And as I was tugging on this end right here, I pulled out a little too far, and I'd already taken the two stands out from underneath the truck itself, and it come crashing down. And this side was still in, and what it done is when this side fell, it twisted that fucking rail right there. Twisted her up pretty good. Yeah. I tried beating on it with a hammer, try to straighten it out a little bit. So there's no straightening it out, man. And that's 10 gauge steel, so this is what I'm using. So I'm gonna have to go with another plan here. I guess that's that. I'm gonna have to make these two rails here complete, just like I've done these two here. I wasn't expecting to have so many videos on this frame. I figured I'd get it done in a couple of videos, but shit happens, so it's going to take at least a couple more videos before I'm done with the frame part of this truck. So I've got a new idea now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this off, probably like right in here where the weld is. I'm going to chop that off, get it up on the bench, and try to straighten it out as much as possible so I can make me a cardboard pattern. And yeah, I'm just gonna have to make these just like I done these. I got the pattern from these here, which I should just go ahead and use on these. But if you remember in the last video or video before that, this measures out right here 6 inches. These right here measure 5 inches. I mean 5.5 inches. So what it does, it comes and it curves up and it gets narrower as it gets to the end here. So you got to start out 6 inches and come narrowed down all the way to 5 inches in order for these rails to slide in and fit right. So yeah, I guess is what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to chop this off right here and get it up on the bench and take a 5-pound hammer, see if I can't straighten it out. Or I just might go ahead and go with a pattern I already got when I made these two pieces. But I really can't do that. Like I said, that's wide and it gets narrower as it comes along. So I'm gonna set you up and we'll cut this off. together, and I was managed to push it out of the garage some. I'm going to have to hook the truck to it. The old lady came home and blocked my truck, so she's going to have to come here and move it. I didn't put no plates in. I just went ahead and pushed it all forward and tried to line the rear end up the best I could, and I just welded these two pieces together for now. It seems to be pretty strong. I jumped up and down on it and everything, so it's good enough for right now. I know the welds don't look the greatest, but they're holding, and they're holding good, so. And once I get it backed in and everything, I'll cut them welds off and separate it again. And right now I've got it in pretty much too far because the drive shaft is too long for the rear end, so I know I got it in way too long, which I knew I would. I was going to hook the drive shaft up, but like I said, it's too long right now, so I just took a strap and tied it up. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get the old lady to come out here and steer this thing after she moves her car out of the way. And get this damn thing out of here, man, so I can try to make some room up in here. Wow, it's, you know, been over a year, man. It's been about a year now since I started on this. And all right, man, I guess I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna grab her, and let's get her turned around. Hood stopper. I ain't been able to get over in this corner in quite some time. So, let me get this shit lined up. Alright, get in there.
I can see shit behind me.
I know. All I want you to do is just keep the wheel straight like it is right now. Alright, I'll watch in my mirrors and shit. Listen. I'm being smart. I know you can't see. I'm going to guide you. There.
Like I see very little of your truck.
Just keep the wheel straight. shit and going in. I accomplished what I wanted. So, all right, guys, I guess that's about it for all right, guys, I guess that's about it for this video. Got a bunch of more subscribers. Thanks for liking, subscribing to my channel. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, do all that, and I'll catch you on the next video. Have a good one.